Alright, we're about to get our first EAS of 2023. Here we go.
This is an aerial flood warning, issued at 10:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warning in effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring? Where portions of northeast Kentucky, southeast Ohio, and West Virginia, including the following counties in northeast Kentucky, Greenup. In southeast Ohio, Athens, Gallia, Jackson, Lawrence, Meigs, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington. In West Virginia, Mason and Wood. When? Until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 10:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Department of Highways has reported several road closures due to high water. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkersburg, Athens, Marietta, Belpre, Jackson, Nelsonville, Pomeroy, Gloucester, McConnellsville, MacArthur, Oak Hill, Beverly, Rio Grande, Albany, and Cookeville. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Greenup, Kentucky, and the...
That's weird.
Here is the forecast for the tri-state area.
I don't care about that. I've already seen it. Okay, so, yeah, I know my room's a mess. Don't mind that. That ain't nothing new. I'm also trying to figure out how to get this weather radio to work. This is clearly a flashlight and a speaker. Weird, my first EAS of 2023 had to be a flood warning. So, yeah. Let's see. What is today? Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023. Trying to get in the habit of saying 2023. But yeah, I'm trying to get this WeatherX solar panel, flashlight, and Bluetooth speaker weather radio flashlight to work. I'm charging it, so if, we have a really bad storm and the power goes out, I have a flashlight, because that's the only kind of flashlight I have. Look here. Flood warning, yeah, we know. Let's look here, is what I meant to do. There was a tornado warning for the county next to us earlier. But within minutes of it being issued, I think it expired too, because it was a thunderstorm. Alright, well, it's 10:54, so it was 10:50 when that got issued. Alright, peace. If you're new, please subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. Have a wonderful day, and I'm sorry about the mess. I'll pick it up later. Bye. Bye.